Yeah. Huh, yeah. Success seeker, feeling confident, raise the middle finger for my haters who thought I wouldn't and thought that I'm a quitter, go-getter, and seemingly nobody can do it better. Complicated the ether, I was born to be a legend. Never will I fake it, never will I contemplate it either. Repulsive to my haters, breaking news, I'm off the radar, and I always press out on my perfection accelerator. So many people never saw it coming, cause they're blinded by my shine. I had to push the limit while I'm feeding venom. My rap delivery is automatic, that's the magic, you can imitate it, but no fit, you cannot replicate it. I'm the dragon cause I breathe fire then spit the ashes. Raw and cold, I'm burning everything, so welcome to my matrix. I never lost my virginity cause I know who has it. Every time I hit that Uchi Gucci, say cause hallelujah. They said I'm in nobody, but they kept me going cause nobody's perfect. If the shoes are fit and then you gotta wear it. I've been counting bodies since kindergarten. Only difference now is that I'm like an undertaker. So fuck with me, I take you to your maker. You will with pleasure, this much after 8 you can relate. I'm messing with your head. Hey, I'm way too focused like a nigga watching pornographic, got a photographic memory. Trip on you like puberty. When I'm done with you, the devil whips and now it business agonist. So shut up nigga please, shut up nigga please, you got nothing to say. Just because you got money doesn't make you best. Shit, I am the best, and if not I never rest until I am the best. Watch these niggas murder you in 4 bars like Kid Kat. I made pack to get me cube 2-pack. I tap you like a toothpick shit. Man, I'm discreet, I'm an idol, then I pop up on your screen like you just finished data finals. And I love my mother cause I never get another. She told me how to read the Bible. All these niggas hate me like I'm fucking their mother. Nigga, I'm not a motherfucker. Winners never quit and quitters never win, and mine is rule of all sin.